During these 50 days lockdown, your school has started the online classes, and you have got the idea of these classes in other subjects. Today I am going to teach you geography on the topic an introduction to our country India. Now I will read the text on the board. Everyone hear what I am reading. Location. India lies in the southern part of the continent Asia. It is like a peninsula. Peninsula, a piece of land almost surrounded by water on three sides. Now you see that India, which has another name Bharat. This Bharat name has been taken from the long Vedic age, or being said from the long Vedic age. And after that, the new name of Bharat is India. And India lies to the southern part of the continent Asia, the largest in the world. The continent that is largest in the world. Now you see this India, first I have to say India is like a peninsula. Peninsula you have read in class 3. Still I am giving you the idea of peninsula. Peninsula, a piece of land almost surrounded by water on three sides. That is India. If you see the Indian map, you see that the southern part of India is covered or surrounded by water on three sides. And these three water bodies are: to the west lies the Arabian Sea, to the east the Bay of Bengal, to its south lies the Indian Ocean. So these three water bodies surrounds the southern part of India, and these water bodies are, one is sea, one is Bay of Bengal, another is Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is named after our country India. And you see that peninsula has another physical feature, that is a peninsula. In a peninsula, it is attached to the mainland, Asia. So India towards the northern part, India is attached to the mainland. So how it is attached? The northern part of India is attached to the mainland Asia. Lofty mountain ranges called the Great Himalayas separate it from the rest of the continent. So India is attached to in the northern part, and that is, if you see in a reverse way, India is to the southern part of the continent, and the northern part of India is attached to the southern part of the continent. And this India, now if I say that how is India located, where is India located? India is located in the southern part, though it is divided by a natural barrier or natural wall called the Great Himalayas. Everyone knows that the Great Himalayas is a Yongfold mountains, is a range of Yongfold mountains. India and some of its neighboring countries together form the Indian subcontinent. The subcontinent is a part of a continent but separated from it physically, forming its own unique identity. That means physically it is separated from the rest of the continent and forming its own unique identity. Forming its own unique identity means it has its own name, own features, which is different from others. So how it is different from others? Which are the characters? The areas of the subcontinent usually has similar physical features, climate, language, culture and historical background. So these are the features which are different from other parts of the continent or other part of the world. Only this land area or this area has the same identity or the same physical feature or the climate or the language, culture and historical background. Now, which of these countries? India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. So these are the countries which have the same identical features or the same physical features, climate, language and historical background. So you got the idea about the Indian subcontinent, where it is located and what kind of land is the India, which water body surrounds India. So the students, you got the idea what I taught you today of the topic. Now I shall read the question and answer of the part I have taught you. What is peninsula? A piece of land almost surrounded by water on three sides. Question 2. Name the water bodies surrounding India. The water bodies surrounding India, to its west lies the Arabian Sea, to its east the Bay of Bengal, to its south lies the Indian Ocean. Question 3. What is subcontinent? A subcontinent is a part of a continent but separated from it physically, forming its own unique identity. The area of the subcontinent usually has similar physical features, climate, language, culture and historical background. Number 4. Name the countries comprising Indian subcontinent. India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka. So these are the question answers I have written for you. You read in your book, read in your home and memorize it. So don't spend your time uselessly. Spend it carefully. Read, write and practice these questions and answers. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.